Airlines love to advertise one free carry-on, but in 2025, that free bag comes with more traps than ever before. From sneaky gate scales to TSA scanners flagging ordinary snacks, seniors are learning that the smallest mistake can turn a stress-free trip into a costly headache. Today, we're breaking down 12 surprising carry-on triggers that airlines rarely warn you about, plus the insider strategies that keep your bag safe, your wallet intact, and your trip on track. So stick with me until the end. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep exposing what airlines don't want you to know. Number 1, the loose battery nightmare. Most passengers don't realize lithium batteries become ticking time bombs when they're not properly secured. Airport fires caused by loose batteries have forced emergency landings, and TSA now trains agents specifically to catch this before takeoff. Here's what triggers the confiscation. Any battery rolling freely in your bag, power banks, camera spares, vaping devices, can short-circuit against metal objects like keys or zippers. The heat buildup reaches over 1,000 degrees in seconds, creating toxic smoke that's nearly impossible to extinguish mid-flight. Even wrapping batteries in clothes doesn't count as proper protection. TSA considers anything without dedicated terminal protection as loose, triggering a complete bag search that removes every improperly stored battery. TSA tip: original packaging or battery cases with covered terminals prevent potential aircraft emergencies. What to say? All my spare batteries are in protective cases. It speeds up screening. Think that's concerning? The next flagging trigger hits before you even reach security. Number 2, the empty water bottle trap. You dutifully emptied your water bottle before security, yet agents still pull your bag for inspection. Here's the insider truth. Smugglers use hollow bottles with false compartments, making TSA suspicious of certain empty containers. The real culprit is X-ray opacity. Those premium steel bottles, hydro flask-style designs with thick walls, appear as solid black masses on scanners. Agents can't verify they're truly empty without physical inspection, automatically flagging them for manual checks. Double wall construction, wide bases, and unusual shapes all trigger closer examination. During inspection, agents shake, disassemble, and sometimes require a complete teardown to check for hidden compartments. Pro tip: clear plastic or collapsible silicone bottles pass through scanners without suspicion. Senior upgrade: lightweight, arthritis-friendly twist caps reduce grip strain during travel. Number 3, the secret weight trap. Your bag fits the sizing box perfectly, yet the gate agent demands a $75 checking fee. Welcome to Airline's quiet enforcement of carry-on weight limits, typically 15 to 22 lbs depending on the carrier. Gate agents now carry handheld scales and target bags that appear overstuffed or feel heavy during boarding. This especially hits regional flights with stricter cargo restrictions. The financial trap is brutal. Gate fees often double what advanced checking would cost. What's adding the weight? Laptops, books, souvenirs, and even travel-sized toiletries accumulate faster than most realize. Airlines know they've cornered you. Pay up or miss your flight. What to say? I can move my laptop to my personal item. Sometimes avoids the fee. Pro tip: weigh your packed bag at home using a luggage scale to prevent surprise charges. Number 4, the powder screening slowdown. Security lines grind to a halt when agents spot large powder containers. Any substance over 12 ounces, roughly soda can-sized, triggers mandatory additional testing, regardless of what it actually contains. TSA can't distinguish harmless protein powder from dangerous materials using standard X-ray, forcing manual chemical testing of every oversized container. This includes supplements, ground coffee, spices, makeup powder, and baby formula. Agents open containers, use chemical test strips, and sometimes request you demonstrate the powder's legitimacy. Bodybuilders miss connections when agents spend 20+ minutes testing multiple supplement containers. Parents face hours of verification for baby formula. TSA tip: divide powders into containers under 12 ounces to avoid extended screening. Senior upgrade: original packaging with clear labels speeds up verification. Number 5, the multiple bag ambush. Your purse? laptop bag, and duty-free shopping bag are all tiny. Yet the gate agent stops you for carrying multiple personal items. Airlines now use AI-powered cameras that automatically count every item you're carrying. This new technology catches what busy human agents previously missed. Handheld dimension scanners verify bag sizes instantly, flagging violations that cost $25 to $75 per extra item. What counts as separate items? Purses plus laptop bags, shopping bags, camera bags, and even water bottles with shoulder straps. If it has its own carrying method, agents count it separately. Pro tip: use bags that nest inside each other or attach smaller pouches with carabiners. What to say? These items are all connected as one personal item. Helps during boarding. Number 6, the smart luggage rejection. That $300 smart suitcase with built-in charging ports gets banned at boarding because its battery can't be removed. Airlines only allow smart luggage when lithium batteries can be completely extracted in seconds. The safety concern is fire risk from permanently installed batteries in cargo holds or overhead bins. Built-in charging ports, GPS tracking, electronic locks, and digital weight displays all rely on non-removable batteries that make luggage instantly non-compliant. Gate agents inspect smart luggage during boarding, refusing bags when batteries can't be instantly popped out. Travelers abandon expensive suitcases daily or pay rush shipping fees to send them home rather than miss flights. What to say? Ask about removable battery compartments before purchasing any smart luggage. Pro tip: test battery removal at home before traveling. Number 7, the over-efficient packing problem. Ironically, packing too efficiently triggers more bag searches than sloppy packing. When you maximize every inch of space, X-ray scanners can't distinguish individual items, seeing one solid mass instead of separate objects, exactly what agents look for when screening for concealed threats. Rolling clothes around electronics, stuffing shoes with socks, and layering items create X-ray shadows that force manual inspection. Real examples: Bibles with gold leaf pages appear as suspicious metal layers, ceramic souvenirs with lead glazing block X-rays completely, and medical tools can trigger long checks. Pro tip: packing cubes separate items for clearer X-ray visibility. Senior upgrade: leave slight empty space for easier repacking. What to say? I can unpack this section for you. Shows cooperation and speeds up the process. Number 8, the 3-1-1 rule evolution. Even seasoned travelers lose expensive items because TSA's liquid enforcement keeps expanding beyond traditional liquids. Container size matters more than actual liquid volume. That half-empty 6-ounce shampoo bottle gets confiscated despite containing less than 3 ounces. TSA's definition now includes peanut butter, thick lip balms, gel shoe inserts, cream makeup, and similar semi-solids. Agents confiscate based on maximum container capacity printed on labels, not current contents. TSA tip: always check container label sizes, not just liquid amount. What to say? All containers are 3.4 ounces or smaller. Number 9, the power bank math problem. TSA confiscates power banks over 100 watt-hours, but most devices are labeled in milliamp hours, requiring conversion. Get the math wrong, and your $150 power bank disappears. The formula: milliamp hours times volts, divided by 1,000. For example, a 30,000 milliamp hour bank at 3.7 volts equals 111 watt-hours, over the limit. Pro tip: buy power banks clearly labeled under 100 watt-hours. Senior upgrade: keep original packaging for verification. Number 10, the hidden agriculture violation. Your homemade trail mix and fresh apples can trigger a $300 federal fine from USDA inspectors. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and homemade foods face strict regulations, especially on international or connecting flights. These aren't TSA agents, but federal officers with authority to issue fines and permanent violation records. What to say? All my food items are commercially packaged and domestic. Pro tip: ship questionable food items instead of risking fines. Senior upgrade: Stick to familiar labeled snacks. Number 11, the medical traveler's documentation nightmare. Cancer patients, seniors with 90-day prescriptions, or anyone with life-saving medication can face serious issues if documentation isn't perfect. Transferring pills to unmarked organizers triggers drug investigations. Controlled substances like ADHD meds or pain relievers need proof. What to say? These are prescription medications for my medical condition. Senior upgrade, carry prescription copies and doctor letters. Pro tip, keep a week's supply in small labeled bottles. Number 12, the electronics removal reality check. Millions still forget to remove large electronics, triggering manual searches. Any device larger than a smartphone, tablets, cameras, consoles must be taken out. Forgetting even one item can delay screening 20+ minutes. TSA tip, practice electronics removal at home. Pro tip, keep electronics in outer pouches for quick access. So which carry-on trap will you avoid first? And what's your best airport packing hack? Tell me in the comments. You might help other travelers. Thanks for watching.